Yo, it's good. Got a daily recap. I didn't take a single trade today just because I didn't really see anything. So yeah. I'll start with GBP GPY. So I wasn't really sure if we were bullish or bearish because um like we did close above this high, but like we opened here. Like there was a huge gap. So I was just willing to play off of whatever showed up first, and yeah, I just still didn't take anything. 1 hour structure was bullish though, so maybe could have taken a short, but um, yeah. So London highs were up here, London lows were down here, Asian highs, Asian lows, going on to the 5 minute. So so this is ideally what I was looking for, but it just happened a bit like I just wasn't really sure because of the 4 hour bias thing. So we did come up into this London high. There was a fair value gap right underneath, so I was looking to inverse that gap or for a break of structure down here, but that did not happen. We were not able to close below the fair value gap, and then we formed a low here. So this was like primarily what I was playing off of for a break of structure, but no, that didn't happen. We just kept on going up, made another low, and then we made another low over there. So what I was considering was maybe entering off of here, but the reason I didn't really like it was because we did get a 30-minute closure above that London high right up here. So I wasn't really sure if I wanted to take a short anymore, but if I were to, and if the bias was bearish for sure, I would have considered maybe more, but just trying to follow my plan fully because, you know, trying to become profitable, right? So if we did have a break of structure, would it look something like this? Stops above here. Oh, I already have this one, so, but we broke structure here. This probably would have been the final target. That did get hit. Pretty nice trade, but you know, I just wasn't really sure because we had a 25-minute closure above, and who knows, maybe depending on where my stop loss was, I could have gone stopped out here. But I didn't like it because there was a 30-minute closure above the high, and then this fair value gap had gotten respected a lot, so I was ideally maybe even looking for a closure below this fair value gap just to see if it holds out. But yeah, so if I did enter off here, the fair value gap did get respected. We came all the way up here, came down, came up, came down, but then we finally inversed it with this big candle down, and we just kept on going. So yeah, so what emotions did I feel? I felt kind of like, well, now just looking at it, I feel kind of sad that I missed out on it, but um I just gotta follow my plan, 100% follow my plan, like no exceptions. I do like that cold trades thing where you do like 30 trades completely following your plan, and that's what I plan to do here. um maybe I was like, maybe I was just acting out of fear, and maybe that's why I'm rationalizing that I didn't take this trade, but I feel like I stayed out of it. Like this is like not really like the best kind of setup, I guess, because like there's a 30-minute closure above, and this could have might as well just been like a 30-minute retrace into here and then an extension up. So not really sure, and I wasn't really sure what the 4 hour was saying. So I think it's good that I stayed out of this, but I am a bit bummed now seeing that. But the good thing is that like it literally respects perfectly with the London low. Like it respected the London high a bit and then came down right to the London low, and then what did it do? It started moving up. So yeah, that just goes to show how price is respecting these highs and lows. So on GBP GPY I was bullish. We were going straight up for the last couple of days. 1 hour was bearish hour, well, not confirmed bearish, but it turned bearish after the 6 hour candle, but I was still looking for buys. London highs are up here, London lows down here, Asian highs and Asian lows. So coming into market open, we were right above the London low. Actually, not right above, but we were a bit above. But for we did come in to the London low, and then there was a gap here, a fair value gap kind of thing right here, but we did inverse that gap, and it was like it closed at 620, but I don't know why, but I didn't really want to enter off of that. Maybe just because this was like, but I mean, like, I swear there's a video of, like, I swear TGR, but I feel like I'm glazing him, but like, I swear he says, like, yo, size doesn't matter. Wait, I'm gonna share my screen still. But he's like saying, like, yo, size doesn't matter. So then any fair value gap that gets invalidated should be treated right. But I didn't feel like this was a proper move into the London low. I feel like we would at least want to take out the actual lows that are there instead of just wicking in. And I didn't really think this was a proper reaction. And I mean, it's good that I stayed out of it because I would have gone stopped out shortly after. But yeah, I think it's good that I stayed out. Maybe just gut feeling, but I feel like maybe it was also fear because I didn't really want to enter. Um, but yeah, what I felt was like I thought price might want to just push on lower, and also GBP JPY was moving the opposite directions, and I was trying to like put the two together and it just didn't really make sense. So I sat out of this one. Price kept on going down, pushed into the Asian high. This is where I could have probably found a better entry. Fair value gap. I mean, no, break of structure up here, fair value gap here, fair value gap here. None of them got touched. We did get equilibrium barely, so wouldn't have really entered off of that either. But yeah, I swear there was something. No, well there, yeah. So there wasn't anything I could have entered off of. But ideally, when I'm taking a long off of a high, is usually I'm looking for a break of structure or a inverse fair value gap, and then also a continuation confluence just for extra confirmation, but didn't get a confirmation, and this was like way after 8 p.m. I mean 8 a.m. So I wasn't really looking for an entry, but price did keep on going up and respected the London high almost perfectly. Wow. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? So 4 hour was bullish coming into market open as well. We had this mini retracement, I guess, but didn't really. We did have a big like gap from from Friday to Sunday. But yeah, so we had this high over here. This was like in between Asian and London, so I just marked both Asian and London, and then this high over here, London high up here, London low, Asian low, and then New York low all the way down here because I thought price might want to reach out to it. So man, I actually hate trading now, bro. So price opened right at the London low, so I was looking for potential inverse fair value gap or a break of structure to go long. I didn't really like how the London high was like super close, so I was ideally looking if price would want to go on lower and go up. We did push past the London low, 30-minute closure below, and then we also came into the Asian low as well. So I was potentially looking for a retrace. Like a what do you call it? A change in structure to the upside. But that did not happen. We had a fair value gap right here. I got hedged heavily like 3 times, but did not close above it, so did not enter. But ideally maybe would have closed above, stopped below here, and then we could have rode all the way up to the Asian high, which was up there. But yeah, instead of doing that, price just kept on pushing down and down, and then there was like an hourly low down here, but I wasn't really gonna enter off of that just because not really trying to get overcomplicated into that stuff. Maybe like am I just making excuses, but this is not really something I like to like play off of, and like especially when I started the fund account, I started branching away from what I know works, and yeah, that caused me to lose like 3% just off trading from London session. And yeah, so we did break structure to the upside with this candle up here. There was a fair value gap. Yeah, this was the one. There was a fair value gap right here. And then there was closure below, closure above. Could have entered something off of this. Stops maybe below this fair value gap, and then could have targeted the Asian low, and then keep on going. And then yeah, that would have hit pretty nice. But this was also like after 8 a.m., so I wasn't looking to enter on that. So yeah. Maybe I should change my plan, but maybe I should change my bro. I shampooed my hair and it's like cooked. Maybe I should like change the timing of my trades and like be more lenient on that. But I feel like I'm just trying to get more trades in. But the point of a plan is to limit how many trades I take, so might as well just follow my plan, right? So yeah, today was pretty good. Yeah, my class is broke, which sucks, but yeah, that's all for today. Goodbye.